I am Jacob Halverson. I'm product specialist out of Castleton, North Dakota. Here we are demonstrating the machine sync uh, activation, and here what we need for that is the 4.0 package of activations. To getting it set up, coming into the field, first off we're going to have to go into our sharing page here. This is basically using the data sharing for each piece of the equipment to communicate with each other. And so as you can see, we have all green check marks. We are good to go there. We go into our machine sync application. Right here it says not ready. So if we click into that, it is saying leader and follower must be ready to track. So basically what this is telling me is I need to just start going here. And there, as I get moving, I see my green check marks, and now I am just waiting for the grain cart to hit his auto track button to connect to us. Here he is locked on. As you can see, it says tracking here. Now I am able to nudge him over here. I can move him forward. Right now I have it set to 3 feet, either forward and backwards. And then we're looking at the same concept going side to side. So if I need to move him away from me, we will move him. I have it set up as 6 inches, left or right. And here now we are, real life scenario. If we're coming along a headland and we're unloading, I am turning the tractor as well. He is following us, and it's going to keep the grain cart right under the auger there. So he is doing absolutely no steering right now. So when disconnecting, say we're coming up to a stop here, if I do come to a complete stop, it will disconnect for safety reasons. He'll just be going about 1.5 miles. So for the machine sync to work, he has to be going at least 1.5 miles an hour. And then once it disconnects, all he has to do to reconnect is hit his auto steer button again. So one of the big benefits is a lot of guys are looking for help. This gives the combine operator the chance to put a not as experienced person in the grain cart and being able to still get the job done, unloading on the go. Again, running headlands, if you're wanting to unload on the headlands, makes it more efficient instead of guys having to stop and unload. It keeps them going in that way. And then also takes out human error. When you get these really big heads on the front of the combine, your room for error is shrinking as the headers are getting bigger, and the augers can only be so far because you're putting a lot of weight in those augers, and the longer they get, obviously the heavier they're going to get. So taking out human error, you don't obviously want to be running into the side of the header, and with machine sync that makes it so the tractor will keep that distance away from the header. So the customer can call your local dealership and ask for the product specialist. We now have a product specialist at every store, so it makes it easier for customers to get a hold of us and keep you guys running.
Thank you for watching. Connect with us by subscribing to Precision Ag Answers on YouTube and follow RDO Equipment Company on social media. Visit rdoequipment.com for more precision ag resources and solutions.